Hey everybody, this is the next day of my fish tank. I just wanted to show if you guys if they made it all. Man, it looks like they all did. And I got my 5 little Barb tetras and my catfish over here, and they're all swimming. I already fed them, and they're really looking good and happy. Try this little blue light, see if you guys can see with it. Uh, they glow a little better like that. So I just have moon tetras and tetra barbs and one little catfish. I think it's 5 tetras and maybe 5 barbs. The one catfish up here in the front, and he's the clean, keep it clean and everything. I really enjoy all the new stuff in here. Oh, there he goes swimming again. I hope you all enjoy them. Oh no, I can't really find my blue one today. He's back here somewhere, hiding. But he's there. Hope you all enjoy. God bless and Jesus love you all. Love you out there.